Wow, this is really fancy. Trust me, you'll like it. The food here is super trendy. All the Kardashians eat here. Le monsieur, starting with your drinks, dehydrated sparkling water. And the first course of your meal, mineral soup from the Nile Riviera. Et les appetizers, dry-aged chicken feather salad. The taste of hamburger. Starting with your entree, house-made spaghetto, simmer to perfection. This is just one spaghetti noodle. Yes, spaghetto is the singular form of spaghetti. Here, your Wagyu beef. Finally, reduced to a gas form to be consumed through your nose. And finally, dessert, white chocolate raspberry cheesecake foam. Your bill comes up to $24,000.